Woodworking is a captivating blend of artistry and craftsmanship that allows individuals to transform raw materials into beautiful, functional pieces. Whether you're a complete novice or someone looking to refine your skills, this journey offers a fulfilling avenue to express creativity while honing practical abilities. From crafting simple home decor items to more. As you explore the world of woodworking, you'll discover not only the joy of creating, but also the potential for profitability. Many woodworkers find that their unique, handmade items resonate with customers looking for personalized and high-quality products. Engaging in simple projects can help you build confidence, while also providing opportunities to experiment with different techniques. If you're enjoying our exploration of woodworking and all the creative possibilities it offers, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest tutorials, tips, and project ideas designed to elevate your woodworking skills and inspire your creativity. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends or fellow woodworking enthusiasts who might also appreciate the craft. And don't forget to stay tuned until the end of the video, where woodworking offers a fulfilling avenue to create beautiful and functional home decor, while also providing opportunities for profit. Engaging in simple wood projects allows both beginners and seasoned artisans to explore their creativity without overwhelming complexity. The beauty of woodworking lies in its versatility. With just a few basic tools, starting with simple designs not only builds confidence, but also allows you to hone fundamental skills. These foundational techniques can be applied across various projects, making it easier to tackle increasingly complex designs as you gain experience. The satisfaction of crafting something from scratch is unparalleled, and each completed project serves as Moreover, creating wood projects for home decor offers the chance to personalize your living space. Customization is one of the most appealing aspects of woodworking. You can tailor each piece to reflect your unique style and preferences. Whether it's a specific finish, color, or design, the ability to in addition to aesthetic value, simplicity in design often translates to quicker production times. Fast-selling items typically feature clean lines and straightforward construction, making them appealing to a broad audience. This efficiency allows you to create multiple items in a shorter period, maximizing your potential for profit. The materials used in woodworking can also play a significant role in the appeal of your projects. Choosing sustainably sourced or reclaimed wood not only adds character to your pieces, but also attracts environmentally conscious consumers. The stories behind these materials can enhance the value of your creations, making them more desirable to potential buyers. Networking with other woodworking enthusiasts can also elevate your craft. Engaging with local workshops or online communities can provide valuable insights, tips, and inspiration. These interactions can help you discover new techniques or materials that you may not have considered, expanding your creative horizons. Collaboration with fellow woodworkers can lead. Marketing your wood projects effectively is essential for profitability. Utilizing social media platforms, craft fairs, and local markets can help showcase your work to a wider audience. High-quality photos and engaging descriptions are vital in capturing the interest of potential customers. Sharing your woodworking journey, including the challenges and successes. Pricing your items appropriately is another crucial factor in ensuring profitability. Researching similar products and understanding your target market can help you set competitive prices while still reflecting the quality and craftsmanship of your work. Remember to factor in the cost of materials, tools, and your time invested. As you continue to create and sell your wood projects, consider the seasonal aspects of home decor. Certain items may be more popular during specific times of the year, such as holiday decorations or outdoor furniture in the summer. Planning your projects around these trends. Moreover, showcasing your work in different settings can enhance its appeal. Setting up displays that mimic real-life environments can help potential buyers visualize how your creations will fit into their homes. Whether it's a beautifully arranged vignette or a staged room, Embracing feedback from customers and fellow woodworkers can also lead to improvement and innovation in your craft. Constructive criticism can provide insights into what resonates with your audience, allowing you to refine your designs and techniques. Listening to your customers' preferences and suggestions can further enhance your offering. Incorporating technology into your woodworking practice can streamline processes and expand your creative possibilities. Using design software or digital tools can help you visualize your projects before you begin, saving time and resources. Furthermore, documenting your process through videos or tutorials can In conclusion, simple wood projects for home decor offer a unique blend of creativity, functionality, and profitability. By embracing the process, honing your skills, and engaging with the woodworking community, you can create stunning pieces. Ultimately, woodworking is not just about creating beautiful pieces. It's about the journey of growth and self-expression. Each project reflects your personality, skills, and creativity, allowing you to share a part of yourself with the world. The sense of accomplishment that comes from completing a project, whether for personal enjoyment or profit. In conclusion, simple wood projects for home decor offer a unique blend of creativity, functionality, and profitability. By embracing the process, honing your skills, and engaging with the woodworking community, you can create stunning pieces that not Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and inspiring as you embark on your woodworking journey. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting projects, tips, and techniques that can enhance your skills. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with friends.